बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूँ अशरफ खान और आप देख रहे हैं अशरफ बोटानिकल गार्डन। नाज़रीन, मैं आपको मॉनिटर लिजर्ड दिखाने लगा हूँ। ये आप देख सकते हैं कि ये मॉनिटर लिजर्ड इस वक्त सत्तू कतला ड्रेन के साथ मौजूद है और ये इस वक्त पौधों के अंदर चली गई है। ये मेरी कोशिश है कि मैं इसको जो है नज़दीक से आपको दिखाऊं अगर ये मौका बनता है। Where this monitor lizard, it has I'm trying to locate this monitor lizard. It is vanished into the pots somewhere. Yes, you can see that. You can see the top of it. Here, this is almost 2 feet long, and there is abundance of this monitor lizard alongside the Sattu Katla drain. Viewers, you can see that this has ran away into the bushes and vanished. Viewers, all these enjoyments are associated with the forests, with the nature. Where there is flora, there is fauna automatically follow suits. So promote the flora and you will enjoy such sights. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy.